Okay, hello everyone, welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you what if your TikTok, if you want to register your TikTok but your phone already registered. Here's the solution. Actually, unfortunately, there is no perfect solution because it's commonly happen, especially in my country, in Indonesia. There are a lot of numbers, phone numbers. People use it and leave it, use it and throw it, and then sometimes the provider, the ISP, is reuse the numbers. So it's commonly happen if you register your phone and then showing up the phone is already registered. So I strongly suggest you to buy a new number, or you register using email, or register using another method like Facebook or Google. So I repeat again, if your phone is already registered, is it's commonly happen because some people use your number, or I mean the ISP or the provider of your phone number is reuse the number. So uh, I mean you okay, that's it. I think it's enough. The simple tutorial, just simple explanation why your number is already registered in TikTok. Okay, that's it. If you have any question, please put on the comment below. If you like, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.